back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to schedule IRA contributions by Paycheck in Robinhood Retirement. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to schedule IRA contributions by Paycheck in Robinhood Retirement, you can schedule recurring IRA contributions to your Robinhood account. So you need to mind that you can do this, but not directly by Paycheck, but through a payroll deduction. You must first set up your recurring investment in the desired stock or ETF. Then you need to choose your IRA account as the funding source. After doing this, for direct paycheck contributions, you need to set up a direct deposit from your employer to the Robinhood IRA or make recurring contributions to the Robinhood Paycheck investment features if your employer isn't listed, which may require setting up a direct deposit from your bank account to your IRA. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.